this one looks pretty crazy, but it's not much different, frankly. It just looks a lot worse. But the first thing we do want to do is break up that radical over the top and the bottom. So I'm going to take that fourth root and put it strictly over the numerator and also strictly over the denominator. I'm also, while I'm at it, going to break this down. 125, I just happen to know, is 5 cubed. But I'll just kind of show you the math that goes behind that. I'm going to write it as such. 5 cubed, a cubed, great. I do want to focus my energy here. I'm not too worried about the top right now. I just know that I need these to be multiples of 4 so that I can then divide this index, this radical, by that new power. So I'm going to use some fourth roots here, top and bottom, fourth root. And I need this to be 5 to the fourth, so I need another 5. And I need this to be a to the fourth, so I need another a. So it's a fourth root of 5a on the top and the bottom. And what's going to happen next is if I multiply these two things together, as we've seen before, the whole point, like the middle step, is that these would multiply to make fourth root of 5 to the fourth times a to the fourth. And the fourth root of 5 to the fourth, the fours cancel. And the same thing here, the fourth root of a to the fourth is just a. So we just get a 5a. And then for the top, since they're both the same kind of radical, I can go ahead and multiply these things together. I'm going to put the whole thing under a fourth root this time. So this is how this one's different. It's a radical and a radical on top this time instead of like a coefficient and a radical, which means we actually have to take the time to multiply these together to get 10 and multiply those together, but they're not the same base, so we're just going to put those numbers down. Usually it's best to do it in alphabetical order. So I'll be 10, a, b to the 11th. And then I just do another quick check. Yeah, definitely my radical's out of the denominator. This math all seemed correct. So I'm pretty sure it's right. I'm positive it's right, really. But just saying. All right, good luck.